National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Boone County, northwestern McHenry County, east central Winnebago County until 3:30 p.m. At 3 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Loves Park and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Hubbard, Poplar Grove, and Capron. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Did this interrupt on demand?
If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Without, and your weather
It got out of your on demand.
And now, your local on EAS. A tornado.
Divorced woman steps out of her comfort zone and embarks on a journey to
I don't know.
life for the better in the drama